Hello students, have a wonderful day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 5th standard and subject English. So students, today we are going to read the class work for lesson Robinson Crusoe. Okay, in our previous class we have written the class work for this lesson. Have you written, students? So I hope you all finish your class work. So let's take your English class work. So today we are going to read only 5 pages of class work. While I am reading, keep your finger in your class work and repeat after me. Okay? So Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Robinson Crusoe. It is an autobiographical novel. So what is mean by autobiographical? So which means a book about a person's life written by that person. Okay? So in this novel also, autobiographical novel written by Daniel Defoe. Okay, so this novel is about a man, Robinson Crusoe. Okay, it tells life of an adventurer. Who is that? Yes, Robinson Crusoe. Discovering a footprint. This is your first subtopic, mind map. Footprint of a man. He saw footprint of a man on the sand. He felt frightened. He felt confused. He ran inside a cave. Let's move on the D words. Confused. Confused means unable to think clearly. Frightened. Scared. Cave. Unnatural. Underground. Chamber in a hillside. Chase. Pursue in order to catch. Okay? Equivalent American English words. Garden, yard. Lorry, truck. Match, game. Petrol, gas. Dustbin, trash can. Okay? So these are some American English words. And then antonyms. Higher, lower. Surprise, predict. Confuse, clear. Return, depart. Believe, doubt. Last mind map. Robinson put his foot beside the footprint. So he started to investigate about footprint. He measured it with his own foot mark. But that is not Robinson's foot mark. Okay? Students, you have to read. Okay? So rest of the part we will continue in our next class. Thank you.